Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and in this video I am discussing thermal comfort conditions. The idea behind preparing this video is to provide a brief discussion about thermal comfort conditions for the human being. Thermal comfort is an important aspect of representing human satisfaction level. According to the definition given by ASHRAE, the thermal comfort is defined as the condition of mind which expresses satisfaction with the thermal environment. It simply means that the condition in which person feels neither too cold nor too hot, just comfortable. The thermal comfort is important for health and well-being as well as for the productivity. For every human being, condition for thermal comfort is different. It depends on environmental factors such as air temperature, humidity, air movement, thermal radiations, as well as some personal factors including occupants' physical activities and clothing. The condition which makes a delicate balance of pleasant feelings in the body produced by its surrounding is comfort for that human being. The human body makes adjustment to the comfort conditions by its circulatory and respiratory system. Humans are comfortable when the heat is transferring to the surrounding at correct rate from the body. Surroundings must be cooler than the body temperature to feel comfortable. Generally, the body is close to being comfortable when it is at the rest and in surrounding of about 75 degree Fahrenheit temperature and 50% humidity with slight air movement. Let's consider an example where this man is enjoying with child comfortably as he is capable of radiating heat from the body to the surrounding very easily. This is because his body temperature is higher than the surrounding. In another case, man is just standing, not doing anything, but he is uncomfortable. This is because his body cannot give up heat readily as the surrounding temperature is higher than the body temperature. The comfort conditions for winter and summer seasons are different.